Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Okay, today is a quiz session. So let's start. Who introduced the Islamic calendar?
Umar ibn al-Khattab.
What is the first month of Islamic calendar?
Muharram.
What is the last month of Islamic calendar?
Zulhijjah.
How many are the sacred months in the Islamic calendar?
4 months.
Islamic calendar refer as?
Hijri.
What is the meaning of Muharram?
Forbidden.
What are the 4 sacred months in Islam?
Zulqa'dah, Zulhijjah, Muharram and Rajab.
The 10th day of Muharram is known as?
The day of Ashura.
What is the meaning of sacred, as there are 4 sacred months in Islam?
Sacred months means the months connected to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.
After Ramadan, which month is best to keep fast?
Muharram.
On the day of Ashura, Allah saved?
Prophet Musa alayhi salam from Pharaoh and his army.
How did Allah save Prophet Musa alayhi salam with his people?
Allah split the sea and make a path for Prophet Musa alayhi salam and his people.
On the day of Ashura, the ship of Prophet Nuh alayhi salam finally came to
rest on Mount Judi. It is in Turkey now.
Which other incident happened on the day of Ashura?
Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam grandson Imam Hussein radiallahu ta'ala anhu was martyred on the day of Ashura, 10th Muharram, in the Battle of Karbala.
Karbala located in which country?
Iraq.
Who was the mother of Imam Hussein?
Hazrat Fatima bint Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam.
What is the name of grandson of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam?
Imam Hassan and Imam Hussein radiallahu ta'ala anhu.
The Battle of Karbala fought between?
The army of second Umayyads Caliph Yazid ibn Muawiyah and a small army of Imam Hussein ibn Ali, the grandson of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam.
Who was the youngest martyr in the Battle of Karbala?
Ali Asghar, the 6-month-old son of Hazrat Imam Hussein.
How should we spend the month of Muharram?
By keeping fast, doing lots of good deeds, giving charity, lots of dua and worshipping of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. A way of life.